Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Josette, and today I am showing you the finished vacation home tour. My mom, of course, is joining me for this because she purchased this home with my dad, and this is the official vacation home in Georgia. So basically, we're just going to walk you through the finished. Okay, it's partially finished. There are some things, like we're not going to show you the master bedroom
because
it's not done
yet.
Yeah, it's not done yet, but most of the house we're going to show you. And check out my previous video. You'll see it either down below. I already filmed an empty house tour so you can see what it looks like completely empty. So let's just get into the video. So most of the places we went to were Ross. We got a couple things at Home Goods.
Yeah.
A couple things at Home.
Yeah.
And
TJ Maxx.
Did we get things at TJ Maxx?
Yeah.
A couple things at TJ Maxx,
yeah.
but
Not
our favorite place is Ross to go to because the deals, like the prices, are actually really, really good. So
yes.
when you come into the house, you're gonna see this right here. Right behind you is the entrance, and so right over here is the entryway table.
Yes.
And we got this from Ross.
Ross.
This statuette is really pretty.
Ross.
We got this from Ross as well.
Yeah.
So, and then this
Maybe
lovely
less.
gold mirror is actually from Walmart.
Walmart.
So yeah, you can see the ring light, just ignore that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is from Walmart. It was the last one that we saw, and we picked it up because we knew it would go perfectly with the gold theme that you're gonna see throughout the rest of the living room. So then as you turn this way, you're gonna see this little table here. So this is from
Ross again.
Ross. Right?
Yes.
We got this little pot was from Home Goods. These we brought from Canada. This shell
It's from Canada.
my mom's had, or coral, she's had a long time
Yeah.
from Canada. And this little drum.
You brought from Cuba. We got that from Cuba.
This is where you just sit down to put your shoes. It's a cute little bench we got from Ross. Everything is from Ross.
Most everything is from Ross.
So this is, of course, the famous Bible verse, John 3:16.
Yeah. These are pieces from my mom's living room. My mom passed away, and I inherited the living room pieces. The pillows, I think these pillows we got from Home Goods, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this one was from At Home. This was from Ross, the table, and the carpet, the rug I brought with us from Canada. And again, this pillow we got from Home, At Home again. They really had nice pillows there. It was perfect for the colors that we chose for the upholstery.
This piece here mirrors the other piece over there. It's also from Home Goods. Of course, it's the exact same thing. This one we got from Ross.
No, Ross. The Ross was a table.
Oh no, did I say Home Goods?
Yeah.
Ross, same thing, Ross. This is also from Ross. We still have to put little pieces in there, but like I said, it's not fully finished.
Yeah, it's not fully finished.
This chair is also my grandma's.
Ross again.
Ross.
Yes, and the flowers we got from
The
Canada.
flowers from Canada. I don't know where we got these from. This painting was done by a friend of my mom's. So it's a really pretty, serene beach scene, and the gold frame ties into all the other gold in the living room.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's really pretty. And you're gonna see some more pieces from the same artist throughout, in the upstairs loft. We forgot to show you. So this is a family portrait that we took in, if you live in Toronto, then you'll know the Humber Arboretum. This was like in the summertime there, so we all have yellow, and the yellow ties into the yellow flowers we showed earlier. So yeah, this is, what do you even call this? What's the name for this?
Server or hutch?
Yeah, I guess it's a
Server.
hutch. So this piece we got from, where was this from?
I think it's Ross as well.
Yeah, this might have been Ross.
Yeah.
I just thought this was really cool, and it's gold, so it ties into the theme.
Yeah.
These purple flowers are from back home. I'm not sure exactly where. And then
And the pot too.
we have, yeah, the pot as well. We have the little coffee area with the crystal. And then over here is the sort of bar area. This isn't like the official bar area, but we just have some Jack Daniels glasses and a little container for ice. So now we're standing in the kitchen.
Granite countertop, brown cabinets, as you can see.
Where did you get this?
Oh, that's a good question. Where did I get that? I got that at home.
Okay.
At home, and yeah, and this was at Walmart. At home as well, because I was trying to match the marble looking with that, and also this was also at home. The what do you call it, paper towel holder, and having that same theme, that marble looking theme. This was the mat on the floors from Ross, right?
No surprise there.
Yeah, everything is like Ross.
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite areas in the house to look at because it's just so picturesque. My mom picked out these really pretty curtains that we found at
That meant Home Goods.
Home Goods.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got, this table is actually from,
Toronto, a friend of ours.
yeah, a
From
friend of ours gave this, but she completely finished it over. It used to be like a really natural wood color,
Yeah.
and she got it finished to gray to obviously match the gray dining chairs. So yeah, so then you come over here and there's two matching pieces here. This one is a little bit bigger, but this plant was from, I don't know where this is from actually.
From Canada. We've had
Yeah,
it
I'm not
forever.
sure. And this pot,
That was my mom's pot.
okay, so yeah, this, we can't really tell you where we got this from. But this ties into the green over here. We actually found this piece
I think it might have been at home.
at home. Yeah, I think it was
At home.
So yeah, this is from at home. The clock
Ross.
we found at Ross. This is a gold clock with the mirrors to tie into the theme throughout the rest of the living room. So yeah, I thought this was really pretty, and my mom does like clocks, so you're gonna see another clock upstairs in the loft. And this little
iron bar.
mat, this mat we got from
Costco in
from
Canada.
Costco. Okay.
Yeah. And that iron piece over there, the bar.
And then there's a little
That was in Vermont years ago.
a little bar that my parents got years and years ago, but it actually is really cute just to have on the floor there. Okay, so the theme in here is light and airy and sort of beachy.
Yeah.
So over here, you'll see
Recording right
we
now?
got these flowers from, where are these flowers from? I think they're from Ross, yeah.
Our favorite place.
The paintings are also from Ross, and these soaps are from Home Goods.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, Home Goods. So now we're going to take you up to the loft and show you what we've done so far. Well, actually, the loft is pretty much finished. Probably just a little touches.
Yeah, a few things here and there.
Come on up. Okay, so this is the loft space. So when you first come up the stairs, there is a desk right in the corner. We got this from Ross, of course. Right here, this is not completely done. We still have to put up a lamp and everything. When you come over here, I love this bench. This bench is from Ross. We love Ross.
Yeah.
Ross should sponsor us. So yeah, this sort of tribal print I thought was really cute. And then we got the matching little bench right here, which is also really cute. These two paintings are from the same artist who did the beach scene downstairs. And this one over here is a pathway and some overhanging trees. So over here is actually a couch
Chair.
couch table, but we figured that this isn't really a traditional space, so we moved it over here. I thought it looked better here. These used to be gold, but my mom spray painted them black, and it really does pop against the wood. She also added a finish onto the wood. Before it looked a lot more raw and natural, but now it has a bit of a polish to it. while still keeping it that sort of organic look.
Again, that was from my mom's house.
All of the wood that you see up here, all of the wood pieces, and also in one of the rooms is from my grandma's house. So this is all really antique furniture, and they were given to my mom when my grandma passed away. So she's using them here, and I think it looks really great. So this is sort of a place to put all of your little decorations on. So the clock is from Canada. I'm not sure where.
I think it was HomeSense I got that.
Okay, so HomeSense back in Canada.
Bought it from a guy on the side of the road in Jamaica.
Yeah, so these are actually from Jamaica, these little guys here. My mom said she got it from a guy selling stuff on the side of the road. This looks like it's from Trinidad. So this sectional is from Wayfair. We got a lot of cute pillows. So these ones are from
The Home Goods, I think it was.
I think it was Home Goods. Home Goods actually has a really good selection for pillows.
Those
And-
are TJ Maxx.
Yeah, the TJ Maxx, right?
Yeah.
Both of these, one says family, one says love. These are both from TJ Maxx for, I think they were $16 or $17.
Mhm.
And then we got these really comfy plush throws from Ross. This little coffee table is from my grandma. The entertainment unit is, I'm not sure where this is from. My mom got this.
Wayfair.
It's from Wayfair. So yeah, so it's gray. And then you move over to the wall, and we have this really cute black and white clock from Home Depot. So as you can see, it's really black and white in this loft space. So in here, this is going to become the mermaid room, but it also is the teal room. But I think it just looks really good. So her bed is from Wayfair, and it has this really pretty beige color, which ties into the painting above the headboard. Does this look familiar? The style, same painting that is in the rest, that's in the rest of the house. Okay, so this little seat for reading chair is from IKEA. This plush is from Dollarama. Yeah. Apparently they have really nice plush blankets at Dollarama in Canada, if you wanted to know that. This lamp is from At Home, and it ties in really well with the vase, which doesn't have anything in it yet, but
Ross.
this is from Ross. So, yeah. And over here is the gray and blue room.
Yeah, more light.
Again, the same bed, same style bed, just different colors. This is from Wayfair. So over here, this is from At Home. Really cute. This piece, where's this from again?
Ross.
Ross.
Yes.
This yellow Corvette has been in the family for like 20 years.
Yes.
So my mom just brought it here. I have some books down there. I'm currently reading The Chrysalids. Over here is a really nice painting which matches well, as you can see, blue and gray tones. This is from Home Depot, and I think it looks really nice here.
Oh, sorry, no, sorry. Lowe's.
Okay,
Sorry,
so this
Lowe's.
is actually from Lowe's. In case you're looking for blinds to put up instead of curtains, we got these from Home Depot, and you do have to pay an extra $100 to get them installed, but we just did it ourselves. And yeah, they're really cute and they look clean, so they don't add a lot of clutter to the room.
Yeah, and you can also measure. You can measure and then take it to them and they'll cut
Yeah,
it,
they'll
right?
cut the blinds for you, so definitely check out Home Depot because these are really easy to put up.
Yeah, not very expensive at all.
Yeah, so yeah, that is it. So we'll go back into the loft and wrap up the home tour. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this house tour. I don't know when, but you'll probably see the finished master bedroom tour at some point in a couple months, maybe when I come back.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is the finished vacation home tour. I have to say that I know that some of you who watch me live in Georgia, so I love the South. I think I might move down here. We went to Tybee Beach. It was so nice. We're gonna, I think, go to Hilton Head next time, but leave any comments below. Recommendations for places to go in the Savannah area. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!